Hair Transplant-Turkey. If you're looking for the best country for a hair transplant, Turkey should be at the top of your list. However, it is important to do your research. Choose a reputable clinic that meets your individual needs and preferences. Always research online reviews or features that the clinic has in reputable media. Hair has always been a critical factor of appearance for both men and women, affecting their sense of confidence depending on whether they have thick or thin hair. Over the last decade, due to technical and technological advancements in microsurgical tools, natural-looking hair transplants are now possible. Hair transplant cost in Turkey. Clinics for hair transplant in Turkey. How to choose the best hair transplant clinic in Turkey. 1. Leading research clinics. 2. Explore your situation. 3. Learn about surgeon. 4. Check out before and after photos. 5. Search for reviews. 6. Pre- and post-operative care. 7. Heck if there is online support. 8. Make sure it's a clinical setting. 9. Pay attention to the experience of doctors. 10. Follow their social media.